Imagine you walk into a kitchen. There are hundreds of ingredients on the table: vegetables, spices, sauces, but there's no recipe. And someone tells you, cook a world class meal. That's exactly what building an AI model feels like without the right tools. But what if there was a fully automated AI kitchen that helped you cook the perfect model? Today, we'll explore Amazon Sagemaker using a simple analogy: cooking a meal. By the end of this video, machine learning will feel surprisingly simple. Think of Amazon SageMaker as a professional AI kitchen. In this kitchen, you have powerful tools, organized ingredients, automated appliances, everything you need to cook a machine learning model. Instead of spending weeks setting up infrastructure, SageMaker lets you focus on the recipe, the model itself. But before we cook anything, we need ingredients. Every great meal begins with ingredients: fresh vegetables, spices, proteins. In machine learning, the ingredients are data. This could be customer purchase history, images used for recognition, sales data for forecasting, or sensor data from machines. And just like cooking, better ingredients produce better results. But here's the interesting part: raw ingredients are rarely ready to cook. They need preparation. Imagine cooking without washing vegetables or chopping ingredients. The dish would be a disaster. Data preparation works the same way. Data scientists must clean messy data, remove errors, transform formats, organize datasets. In SageMaker, tools like SageMaker Studio and Data Wrangler make this preparation much easier. But now the real cooking begins. In a professional restaurant kitchen, every tool has its place: cutting boards, mixing bowls, ovens, timers. SageMaker Studio is that organized workstation for machine learning. It's a single place where data scientists can write code, prepare data train models, track experiments. Everything happens in one environment. But what happens when we finally put ingredients into the pot? This is where the magic happens. Training a machine learning model is like cooking the dish. You combine your data, the ingredients, and a machine learning algorithm, the recipe. Then powerful computers process the data again and again, learning patterns. For example, a fraud detection model learns patterns of fraudulent transactions. A recommendation system learns what products customers like. And SageMaker provides massive cloud computing power to cook these models quickly. But every chef knows something important. The first version of a recipe is rarely perfect. Imagine cooking soup. You taste it, and something feels slightly off. So you adjust the salt, maybe reduce the heat, maybe cook a little longer. In machine learning, this process is called hyperparameter tuning. Instead of manually trying hundreds of recipes, SageMaker can automatically test many combinations to find the best model. It's like having an AI chef experimenting with recipes until the dish is perfect. Now the meal is ready. But nobody benefits until it's served. Cooking the dish is only half the story. The real goal is serving the meal to customers. In machine learning, this is called deployment. SageMaker lets you deploy models as API endpoints. Applications can send data to the model and instantly receive predictions. For example, banks detecting fraud in real time, e-commerce recommending products, factories predicting equipment failures. Behind the scenes, these applications are being powered by models cooked in the SageMaker kitchen. Today, thousands of companies use SageMaker. Banks use it to detect fraud. Retail companies personalize recommendations. Hospitals analyze medical images. Factories prevent machine failures. All powered by machine learning models trained in the cloud. So the next time someone mentions machine learning, just remember the cooking analogy. Data is your ingredients. Training is cooking. Hyperparameter tuning is adjusting the recipe. And deployment is serving the dish. Amazon SageMaker simply provides the entire AI kitchen to make this process faster and easier. If this analogy helped you understand Amazon SageMaker, Give the video a like. Subscribe for more simple explanations of complex cloud technologies. And tell me in the comments, which AWS service should we explain next using everyday analogies?